Hi, I'm Judy Craig with Edina Realty, and one of the hot topics right now is multiple offers. So I wanted to share with you some ideas that will help you win. So one of the first things you have to do is you have to be pre-approved. You don't want just an online lender. You need someone local that the other agent could call that lender and ask them if you're a solid buyer. So that's number one, be pre-approved. The second thing that I think is helpful is if you can have your agent make a phone call to the listing agent. I do it all the time. I'll call them and say, is there anything you can share with me that we can do to accommodate your seller? If the seller has really got a quirky timing, that's important, and we want to try, if we can accommodate that, that helps out so much in the big picture. The third thing that you want to do is you can write a letter to the seller. There's a lot of information in that letter that I couldn't disclose, but as a buyer you could say, I just love this house. I could see raising my family here. I could see walking to the park. Whatever it is about this property that speaks to you, tell the seller. And then the fourth thing, whenever we're in multiple offers, you want to check the pricing, of course, but most multiple offers, they do sell at full price or over. So you need to be prepared to go over asking price. You might want to also offer an acceleration clause that you would pay $1,000 over the other highest and best offer up to a certain dollar amount, of course. So those are four things that you can do to try win in a market where a lot of homes are selling really fast in multiple offers. If you have any questions or if you want me to represent you, please give me a call. I'm Judy Craig, Edina Realty, 651-303-1200.